Welcome to the Profit of Protection, turning Arizona heat into a business asset. We will explore how smart structural design can transform sun-baked spaces into revenue-generating assets. The Arizona heat creates a penalty for businesses. High temperatures change customer behavior, leading to a survival mission where they prioritize getting back to the AC. This creates dead space outside and flight zones near entrances, resulting in lost revenue. We are redefining shade from a costly aesthetic amenity to a quantifiable revenue-generating asset through smart structural design. This increases usable square footage, improves ticket sizes, and extends peak operational hours. Shade structures create an invisible expansion, turning underused areas into functional, high-capacity business space. This applies to restaurants, retail, auto dealerships, gyms, and daycares, increasing sales during peak seasons. Comfort dictates conversion. Shade lowers temperatures and reduces glare, moving customers from the heat zone, where they make a quick exit, to the cool zone, encouraging browsing, higher tickets, and extra purchases. Protecting the human capital is vital. A well-designed environment enhances the customer experience with shaded entrances, improving online reviews and return visits. It also offers an employee advantage, reducing heat stress for outdoor staff. A custom shade structure provides a curb appeal premium. In a climate where customers seek the coolest environment, visual comfort signals quality and offers a competitive edge before they even park. The benefits of commercial shade form the 360-degree value flywheel, driving the return on shade. It starts with expanded usable space, leading to increased dwell time and comfort, resulting in higher ticket sizes and happier staff, and improving reviews and curb appeal, which ultimately drives increased revenue. The Shade Architecture Diagnostic helps align structural design with your operational goals. We consider the shade type, best application, spatial footprint, and desired vibe. From highly flexible shade sails to durable metal canopies, our solutions are built for the desert and designed for growth. Use smart design to transform your sun-baked spaces into undeniable operational advantages and revenue-generating assets. Partner with us to build your blueprint.